This is one vector, Nana. A bar. Yeah. That's I am explaining, Nana. Here, yes, I am repeating. This is one vector, say A bar, like here in the previous diagram. And this is the another vector B bar. Look at the two diagrams. I think you understood the difference. Here, the given two vectors are perpendicular, but here the two vectors are not perpendicular. Okay, making some angle. Okay. So, if they are perpendicular, here very easily you told, Aranana, what is the resultant of A and B? Simply you told, sir, simple, sir, you just join this point and that point with some arrow like this, then it gives the resultant, sir. Okay. So here someone is asking that, sir, we can't make same triangle. Same triangle means what's your doubt, Nana? Here, Afan Ahmad. From here, I have to drop one perpendicular.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Okay. By that, what will you get by dropping one perpendicular here?
I can use trigonometric ratios.
Trigonometric ratio means you are saying that it is a right angle. Their trigonometric ratio means what you are trying to say here. May I know?
They give A and B, no, sir?
Only values of A and B and the total angle.
Acha. Then not sure, sir.
So I think it is not possible with your method.
Yes.
Then anyone have any idea with you? Sir, can I tell? Sure, Nana. Who is this Durga Prasad? Yes?
Sir, we can take same he told us, sir. Once you draw the perpendicular to the...
Yes. Then?
Sir, we can take angle... sir, once mention the angles, no, sir.
Okay, you take it as some 120 degrees.
No, sir. On the A side.
Those angles I don't know.
X we can take, no, sir. X and this is 90 minus X.
How can you say that is 90 minus X?
Sir, this is perpendicular, no, sir. Sir, 90.
Which angle you are saying? This angle?
Sir, this is 90 minus X.
Which one? At B or at some say O?
A, sir. Yes, sir. O, sir.
At O?
90 minus X, sir.
Okay, right.
This is 90, no, sir. We took perpendicular.
Right. This is 90. Okay.
This will be X, sir.
How can you say this is X?
Sir, I know it will be, sir, but I don't know how to tell.
Nana, if this angle is 90 degrees, what you are saying, I accept. Just by randomly you are saying. I don't.
No, sir. It is actually correct, sir. I forgot how to do.
Okay. Amog raised the hand, Nana. We will give the chance to Amog. Yes, Amog.
Sir, we should resolve the vector B into B cos theta and B sin theta.
B cos theta, B sin theta means you are saying that here B makes how much angle with x-axis? That you have to know. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. Okay. Resolving means dropping a perpendicular. Okay, better I take the line here. 1 minute, Nana. You are saying that by dropping one perpendicular here. Oh, sorry. And you are saying that one line is taken here. This one only you are telling. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Good. Right?
Sir, that perpendicular drawn is B sin theta.
Means you are saying.
And the horizontal one is B cos theta.
Is this angle theta you are saying?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, right. This is theta. Right. Then this one you are telling that b cos theta.
Yes, sir.
And this upward one is b sine.
And that one B sin theta.
Very good. Okay, I accept.
Yes, sir.
Later.
Sir, now on sir the base is A plus B cos theta, and we can see
Which-
that
Which base?
this
Total
whole
base
base.
from beginning.
From beginning till
Ah,
A B cos theta,
yeah. You are saying that from here. Okay, I accept.
A plus B cos theta.
Say this point is some p.
Yes.
Okay, this point is some q, and this point is some r. Now it is clear. You can say PQ is A plus B cos
Sir,
theta.
now yes, sir.
Is it clear? What Nana? What
Yes.
you saying? Yeah, is it right?
Yes, sir. PQ
Right.
equals A plus B cos theta,
PQ is
and QR equals to B sin theta.
very good. Now you are right. Yes, good.
And now we can find PR by Pythagoras theorem.
Very good. So here, Nana, Amok told one method here for us. Okay, it is a perfect method. What he said, again, I am redrawing the same diagram here. Okay, manually. Here, what Amok said, I gave this is one vector, A bar, whose magnitude is A, and this is another vector. This is B bar, whose magnitude is B. Okay. Here I am asking what is the magnitude of resultant. Resultant means the third side of the given triangle. Third side. Okay. This is the resultant. I think all of you understood from the above diagram. This is the resultant. Okay. That resultant, I don't know, let it be X. X is equals to how much I am asking. Okay. And here he said, what, sir, extend this line, sir, A, and then better you draw from B one perpendicular like this, sir. This is a perpendicular, sir. Okay. Better we draw a bit neatly here. Better I draw good one like this. Okay. This is perpendicular drop, Nana. Okay. And here we are taking these points as P, O, Q, and R. Okay. Better I take B here. Okay. I'm taking B, writing B here. And this is the perpendicular to avoid some confusion. Okay. And here he is saying that, sir, this B bar you resolve into two components, sir. This is one component and it is another component. Okay. Already 2 days you explained that concept, sir. Okay. This B, suppose the angle here is given as theta. He said that it is B cos theta. Why? Because for the angle it is the adjacent side, and for the given angle it is opposite side. So it is B sin theta. Okay. This one what Amok said. Do you have any doubts in the concept here, Nana, and the explanation given by Amok?
No, sir. Clear, sir.
Is it clear? Very good. All of you?
Clear, sir.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
Here's Afan Ahmad asking, explain once again.
Sir, can you please explain once again?
Instead, I ask Amog Nana, he will explain. Amog, will you please explain it again? Mr.
Sir, first we have to resolve the vector B.
Wait, we will ask. Where you have doubt, Nana? We will ask them. Where you have doubt?
Sir, this concept, sir.
Concept means here, where you have doubt in finding out in assuming the resultant like this, or in resolving this one into B sin theta and B cos theta. Where you have doubt?
Imagining resultant, sir.
Yeah, assuming the resultant here only I told you, Nana.
Oh.
The third side gives the resultant.
Okay, sir.
Okay, na? Right.
Okay, sir.
Nana, Amog, not Amog. Here, Ahmad, what's your doubt here? Affan Ahmad. Resultant here. Nana, you can unmute and you can ask so that it will be very clear. Affan Ahmad. Nana, Affan Ahmad, please respond. Resultant. No, sir, I can't. Ayo, sorry. Why? Why? Right. Sir, once explain how you take b sine theta and b cos theta. That Mr. Amog will explain. Now again, Kamog, come back.
Sir.
Here someone is asking how to get that b cos theta and b sine theta. Okay, explain. Why? Because you know and I know, but few people did not know. So here explain more clearly.
Sir, first,
So
we should assume that the vector B is making angle theta.
Wait. This is b bar, okay, the vector, and it is making an angle theta with the horizontal or some other.
Horizontal.
Okay, horizontal. Here it is making an angle theta. Very good. And then I think you are trying to say something, but you are not getting your voice. Mr. Amok?
Sir.
Now you tell, Nana. We are catching your voice.
Sir, now we have to resolve the vector B into b cos theta and b sin theta.
All of you listen, Nana. Here, this is what? Resolve means already I told. Resolving one along x-axis, other along y-axis. Okay. First class, we focus more on this part. Along x-axis, how much, Nana? Is it b cos theta or b sin?
B cos theta. B cos theta.
Yeah. Here, do you have any doubt? All of you, Nana? Starting this one. Okay, I will put it. Do you have any doubt in this concept, Nana, finding out the resultant? No, sir. Good. Right. This one we took from PQR right angle triangle. Okay. One side is A plus B cos theta. Other side is B sin theta. Applied the Pythagoras principle here. Okay. Finally, we got root of A square plus B square plus 2AB cos theta. Good. Right. Thank you. And here, Nana, the same thing. Why don't I take like this? This is one vector. Okay, given there. And this is another vector given here, like. Okay, this is A and that is B. This one, same here. This the third side you told, it is the resultant. Okay, this one you said resultant. Okay, same thing, Nana. Here with the arrow marks I am representing. This is the resultant X and it is A and this is B. Here, major problem is, whereas I assumed the angle, some inside angle here, obtuse angle, but Amog said that, sir, better instead of taking that angle, this exterior angle is, better you take the exterior angle as theta, sir. Okay, according to Amog's concept, we came to here, this is theta, we took. Now I got one idea here with the Amog's explanation. Then here from this triangle, why don't I extend the triangle as a parallelogram. Okay, like this means drawing the parallel side and one more parallel side here. I draw like this. Okay, so here this one I erase nano. Okay, and I redraw. This one I am taking. Right? Now, from here, what Amok said, this angle is theta means, according to mathematics, here I think these two are parallel sides. Okay, that's why here this total angle will be theta. Do you have any doubt in this concept, Nana? What I wrote here?
No, sir.
This angle, is it theta or some other? Theta or other than theta?
Theta.
Theta, very good, very good. So here A bar is towards right and B bar is upwards or downwards, Nana?
Upwards.
Upwards, upwards. So here the parallel one I take here upwards. Okay, look at in parallelogram, all of you know
Opposite sides are equal.
equal. That's why here I take it as B. Okay. Now look at here, Nana. A bar and B bar, these two are appear to originate from the same point or not? A bar and here B bar, both are originated. Originated means started from the same point. Is it clear?
Sir.
Yes. All of you respond. Is it clear? Good.
Clear, sir.
Good, Nan. So here in this parallelogram, A bar and B bar are originated from the same point and they are taken as the adjacent sides. Am I right? Yeah, adjacent sides. Making how much angle? Theta. If two vectors are taken as the adjacent sides of a parallelogram and originated from the same point at an angle theta, then the resultant is appeared like the diagonal originated from the same point. Once again, I am repeating this long sentence, Nana, complex sentence. Here, once again, keenly listen. Here, the given two vectors, A, yeah, I am repeating, A and B are taken as not opposite sides, not opposite sides. I am taking them as adjacent sides. Okay. Even you can argue, sir, these two are adjacent sides. That's why I'm saying both are taken as adjacent sides originating from the same point. Originating from the same point at an angle theta. Better I write here, you can understand. Okay, simultaneously. Okay, I'm taking two vectors A and B. Okay, are taken as the adjacent sides okay, of a parallelogram okay, comma, originated from the same point at an angle theta, okay, at an angle theta, then that is it x diagonal or some other line, Nana?
Diagonal.
Then diagonal means actually parallelogram has two diagonals. This diagonal is taken from the same point or some other point. This diagonal.
Same point.
So can I write here from the same point at an angle theta, then the diagonal taken from the same point gives the resultant. Now you read and you say whether you understood this one or not.
फिर से तो भी बीच में आ जाएगा
Yeah.
मेरे क्लास दे रहा आपको क्या चाहिए
First mute your voice, Nana.
Sir, but it's too lengthy now, sir.
Too lengthy means how you state now? State this one like a theorem. I want the statement of this theorem. Parallel. I suppose since it is in the parallelogram shape, suppose I name it as a parallelogram law according to its shape. Okay. Then state the statement of this parallelogram law.
Then we should write.
We should write it. Yeah. We have to write it or not?
Yes, sir.
So here, the two vectors are taken, originated from the same point or not? Same point, making an angle theta here, okay, taken as the adjacent sides. Then the diagonal taken from the same point gives the resultant vector. Okay, clear Nana for you all?
Yes, sir.
yes sir
Sure.
sure sir
Okay, right. And if anyone asks you what is the magnitude, then you have the formula here with you. X is equals to root of a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Okay, we are naming it as like what, Anna? Parallelogram law. Okay, can I move to next page?
1 minute.
Okay, Nana.
yes sir
Right, Nana. So here, now related to that parallelogram law of vectors, okay, Sir Charit Reddy. Mr. Charit Reddy? No. Okay. Aditya Manasa?
Yes, sir.
Are you ready, Nana?
Yes, sir.
Can I ask one question here?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. This is one example, Nana. Now you see here in the diagram, this is one vector. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
Its magnitude is 2, Nana. Okay.
Yeah.
And here I am taking another vector. Okay. Means if you construct the parallelogram, parallel side, this will be the parallel side. Okay. Now both are appear to originate from the same point. So you can apply the parallelogram of vectors. Okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
And here its magnitude is 3. Okay. And I am giving angle between the two vectors is 60 degrees. Okay. Now I am taking the resultant. Resultant means diagonal taken from the same point. This is the resultant, which is x. If I ask x is equals to how much, will you tell, Nana? Okay, will you see the formula first? Now you see the formula once again. Is it visible, Nana? Aicha Manasa? What happened? Okay. No, Aditya. Right, right. Okay, okay, right. Okay, will I go to Lakshmi Gayatri? Why? Because she put the answer here.
Yes, sir.
Nana, are you ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
Will you
Sir,
explain, Ratali?
yes, sir. The formula is under root a square plus b square plus 2ab into cos theta. So
Very good,
according to
very
the
good. Wait,
question,
Nana, wait.
we have
Wait. Right now you say root of.
according to the question we have theta equal to 60 degrees and
Yeah.
a equal to 2 and b equal a equal to 3 and b equal to 2.
Oh,
So
okay,
it's
that is
under
your
root
wish.
3 square
Ah,
plus 2 square plus 2 into 3 into 2 into cos 60 degrees.
okay,
3
2 in.
squares 9, 2 squares 4 plus 2 into 3 into 2 into 1 by 2 cos 60.
Okay, 9 plus 4 plus 2 into 3 into 2 into cos 60 value
Cos
now.
60. 1 by 2, sir.
Very good. 1 by 2.
So 3 into
Yes.
2 into 2 is 12. 12 into 1 by 2 is 6. So 9 plus 6 plus 4. This
Plus
is
6.
19. So the answer is root 19.
Very good. This is root 19. Very good. Is it clear for all, Nana? What she explained? Yeah. Already. Okay, many put here. Right. Any doubt here in solving this problem, Nana? Anyone?
No, sir.
No. Right. Good. Right. Now, here, if I ask one more question, better I ask you only first, Nana. Without knowing the question, here who is ready to say the answer, Nana? Means like challenge. That's it. May be known or may not be known. Who is ready here? Anyone is ready? No one is ready? Tanisha. Okay. Are you ready, Ratali?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Now, here my question, Nana. Suppose this is one vector, okay, having the magnitude 4, Ratali, and this is another vector having the magnitude some 6. Are they both originated from the same point, right?
Yes, sir.
So I think you can apply the parallelogram law.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. And here I am taking the diagonal. Diagonal, I think you know, it is the resultant.
Yes, sir.
This is the result. Okay. So this resultant, I don't know, let it be x. Okay. Now what I am saying, this x is equals to, I am taking, it is, say, some 6. X is also equals to 6.
Yes, sir.
Then what will be the angle between the two vectors? Theta equals to how much?
6 square is equals to 4 square plus.
Oh, you are trying to square this equation, both sides.
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. First I will write, Nana, by squaring that equation. X square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab cos theta. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Then x square, Ratali?
X square is equals to 36.
Very good.
Then is equals to 100.
Wait. First, one by one, you tell, Nana. A square?
Square, that is 16.
16. Good.
Plus 36.
Very good.
Plus 2 into
2 into?
2 into 4 into 6.
Yeah, good. Into cos theta.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here, this is how much, Ra? 16 plus 36?
100.
Or else,
Sorry.
I think 52. Right, you are right, 52.
Yes,
52 plus, this is, Nana?
48 into cos theta.
Right, 48 into cos theta is equals to 36. Then what to do?
Then, sir, we have to bring 36 minus 52.
Okay, 52 to the left hand side.
Yes, sir.
Wait, Nana. Afan Ahmad has some doubt. What's your doubt, Nana? Afan Ahmad? Okay, in the meanwhile, he will type. You tell Nana. Sir, I have one doubt. In first example, he did not multiply 232. I multiply, Nana. 2 into 3 into 2. That is not 232. 2 into 3 into 2. That is actually here without multiplying what I took. Cos 60 is equals to half. Just for calculation purpose. So 2 into 3 into 2 into I took it here half. So that easily I can cancel 2 there. So that I am getting 6. Even if you multiply here 2 into 3 into 2 is 12 into 1 by 2 you will get 2 6 there also you will get 6 only. Okay. We have cancelled. So sir, I know. So we can't do like this 26, 25. Okay, na? 26, 25. What is this 26, 25, Nana? You don't have mic and we are facing some problem here to understand your question. If we multiply directly, we get 25. Whom, Nana? I will send you on WhatsApp. Okay, no problem, Nana. Right. Here, 36 minus 52. How much is this, Nana? 36 minus 52?
16.
Minus 16 or plus 16?
Minus 16.
Right. That implies this is minus 16 is equals to 48 cos theta. Then cos theta will be how much, Nana?
Minus 16 divided by 48.
How much is that?
1 by 3.
Exactly. 16 ones are 16 threes. So minus 5. Okay. Cos function you are getting negative means, yeah, correctly. 16 by 48, correct only, Nana. 16 ones are 16 threes. Cos function is negative in second quadrant or first quadrant, Nana? In mathematics?
Second, sir.
Second means, I think angle will be obtuse.
Yes, sir.
Angle you are going into second quadrant means, is it more than 90 or less than 90?
More than 90.
So can I conclude that here theta is more than 90 degrees? And I can write like this, Nana? Theta is equals to cos inverse minus 1 by 3.
Yes, sir.
Do you know this method in mathematics? Okay, right. So this is the final answer. Theta is equals to cos inverse 1 by 3. Is it clear for all, Nana? Okay, thank you, Nana. Tanisha?
Yes, sir.
You can mute. Is it clear for all? Very good, very good, very good, very good.
Excuse me,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Here, Nana, yes, Gayatri.
Sir, the theta can even lie in the third quadrant, no, sir. Cos is negative in the third quadrant also.
Nana, 1 minute, Nana. You are saying that theta may lie in third quadrant also. Means like this, you are saying.
Sir, theta is greater than 90 means it can come in third quadrant also, no, sir?
Yeah, obviously.
Yes, sir. Like you wrote that it's only between 1 and 2, so I wrote. Anyway, if it's in second or third, it's obviously greater than 90, sir. But I'm confused from the last second step you wrote.
This last second step.
No, the diagram, quadrant diagram.
Yeah. Here.
You did not mention quadrant 3, no, sir. So I asked for confirmation. That's all.
Okay. Right. So, okay, nothing to worry, Nana. Why are you getting angry here? All we are friends now. So here.
No angry, sir. Just clarification, that's all.
Okay. Right.
I just clarify everything on the spot only, sir, so that I don't
Right.
have a confusion later.
Right. So is it clear now? Is maybe second or third quadrant?
Yes, sir.
Right. Good. So this is the story, Nana. Okay. Oh, already we crossed 4, Nana. Today I think we discussed less concept, I think.